Did you know you can add your name or phone number directly to your iPhone lock screen without installing any app? This can help someone contact you if your iPhone gets lost or simply make your lock screen look more personalized. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add text on your iPhone lock screen using an built-in iOS feature. Adding text on your lock screen can be useful in many situations. You can display your name, contact number, or short message like if found, call me on so and so number. If someone finds your iPhone and is willing to return it, they can easily contact you without unlocking the phone. So let's get started. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. Tap on focus. If you don't see focus here, open settings, then scroll down and tap on focus. Now tap on the plus icon to create a new focus mode. From the options shown, select custom. This allows to create a completely personalized focus just for displaying text on your lock screen. On the name your focus screen, enter the text you want to appear on your lock screen. This can be your name, your phone number, or a message like if found, call me on so and so number. This text will appear between the torch and the camera icon on the lock screen. Now select a color and an icon, then tap on next. Tap on customize focus, then tap back. Now you will see your newly created focus listed in the focus menu. Go back to the home screen and open the control center again. Tap on focus and then tap on focus you just created. Once enabled, the focus status will show as on. You will also see focus icon appearing in the status bar. You will see custom text displayed clearly on the lock screen right in the center between the torch and the camera icons. No apps, no shortcuts, completely built in iOS. To remove the text, simply open the control center, tap on focus and turn off the focus you enabled. The text will instantly disappear from your lock screen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what text would you add to your lock screen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.